Hi, welcome all of you to another video from Knowledge for All. In this video, we will discuss about the 3 tricks which will help you to get exemption to any subjects. If a working professional like me who got exemption for 2 subjects and one being a theory subject, which is paper 6 Law and Ethics as well as paper 7 Indirect Tax, believe me, all of you can get it. In this video, we will specifically look into the paper number 6, that's Law and Ethics for CMA Inter. It's always say that it is very difficult to get exemption for a theory paper like Law and Ethics. But believe me, post implementing these 3 tricks in your study, you will get exemption. Let us look into those 3 tricks. Trick number 1, ABC analysis. You must have heard this word in inventory. But the same technique we will use here to prioritize our chapters. In the screen you can see the syllabus of paper 6 for CMA Inter Law and Ethics, which consists of 30% of commercial law, 25% of industrial law, 30% of corporate law and 10% ethics. Now I will show you how I prioritize the whole law and ethics paper for getting 65 marks with exemption. Here you can see overall rating of A I have given for commercial law as well as corporate law, which both consist of 65 marks. I have rated B for ethics because it is easy as well as it has only 10 pages. If we prioritize chapters under commercial law, we should thoroughly study Laws of Contract and Sale of Goods Act, because a minimum of 15 marks questions we will get from these 2 chapters. Again, we have to study 3 chapters to get the same 15 marks. Under Industrial Law, Factories Act, Payment of Gratuity Act are important chapters, and we should expect a minimum of 10 marks compulsory questions from these 2 chapters. Hence, I have rated these chapters as again A. To get 15 marks questions, we should study other 6 chapters. Now comes the very important chapter and session of law, which is corporate law. It has only 2 chapters. 10 marks questions we should expect from the first chapter, which is Basics of Companies Act. And the balance 20 to 25 marks questions will come from the second chapter, which is Director. We should revise these 2 chapters at least 4 times, because 35 marks questions we can expect from these 110 pages. Table shows how much marks we can expect and we should get to score the exemption. We can expect 60 marks questions from chapters which we have rated as A, and we should get at least 40 out of 60 here, and 15 out of 25 from the ratings B, and only 5 marks from rating C. If so, easily we can score exemption to Law and Ethics paper. Trick number 2, 80-20 principle. Now we have a well-defined prioritized table in front of us. Now we have to decide how much time we dedicate for each chapters. Here comes the relevance of 80-20 principle. As per the principle, you have to spend 80% of your time for the chapters which we have calculated as A as well as B, because we will get the questions 80% from these chapters. 20% will come from the chapters which we are marked as C. And in this video I will not recommend to skip any chapters, because from multiple choice questions point of view, each and every chapters are important. From my experience, as and when I complete the chapter 1 and starts chapter 2, I will forget the points which I have learned in chapter 1. Here comes the relevance of trick number 3, 10 minutes revision. What it says, we have to revise the first chapter in 10 minutes before starting the second chapter. For example, if I am starting the chapter 4, I have to revise 1, 2 and 3 in 10 minutes. If I am revising or if I am starting study at the chapter 10, the 9 chapters I have to revise in 10 minutes. The 10 minutes remains constant irrespective of how many chapters you have to cover. So in such a way, you have to highlight only those points which are very important. If you like the content of this video, please do like the video and subscribe the channel, as well as please do share with your friends. Thank you.